Dear students, in this lecture video, we studied about the dust collection and draft systems in steam power plants. First, we studied about the dust collection. What is the definition of dust? The dust is nothing but the solid matter in flue gases. The size of dust is more than 0.01 mm and less than 0.1 mm in dia. The quantity of dust in the flue gases depends upon the method of fuel firing. The exhaust gases leaving the boiler, which contains particles of dust, fly ash or carbon as a material, which is called cinder. In the pulverized fuel, 60 to 80% of the total ash produced in the furnace of the boiler, which escapes through the chimney as fuel dust. The removal of dust from the exhaust gases is very important because the environment gets polluted. So, the dust collectors are used in the steam power plant for dust collection. What are the types of dust collectors used in the steam power plant? There are two types of the dust collectors used. One is mechanical dust collectors, another one is electrical dust collectors. The another name of electrical dust collector is electrostatic precipitator. The mechanical dust collectors is again classified into wet dust collectors and dry dust collectors. The dust nuisance is the greatest with the pulverized fuel and the spreader stoker firing systems, which is much less with the underfeed stoker systems. Why we have to remove the dust in the steam power plant from the boiler? The main thing, for example, 100 megawatt capacity power station, we are using the pulverized coal per day. So, how much tons of ash produced per day is 150 tons of ash produced per day with the exhaust gases. So, we have to take the special care for remove the dust. What are the major emissions from the thermal power stations are fly ash, carbon ash. Carbon ash known as the cinder, smoke, dust and irritating vapors like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides. These emissions are objectionable if the content exceeds a particular limit. The Indian coals which are used in the steam power plant, which contains a very high percentage of ash, that is around 40% of ash. In the pulverized coal firing, up to 80% of the ash in the coal, which may be carried with exhaust gases in a very fine form only. What are the another difficulty we are facing? The Indian coals used as a coal in the steam power plant is higher percentage of sulfur. The sulfur emitted to the atmosphere in the form of sulfur dioxide, which is highly objectionable on the account of its bad effect on the human beings. In this view, we have to cleaning the flue gases for the power stations. If we are using Indian coals as a coal, it is necessary. What are the problem we are facing during cleaning of flue gases? Because of large percentage of silica on the ash and fineness of the typical fly ash. The another name of the dust collector is gas cleaning devices, which make use of certain physical and electrical properties of the particular matter of the gas stream. The mechanical dust collector or the gas cleaning devices have high efficiency with increase in load, but the electrostatic precipitator, that is electrical dust collector, have the efficiency with the increase in load, but the efficiency decreases. The combination of both collectors gives a constant efficiency characteristics which are used. The mechanical dust collector serves to remove heavier dust particles, but the electrical dust collector is used to eliminate the finer particles. Now we detailedly studied about the electrical dust collector, that is electrostatic precipitator. Why? In the VTU they are asking the question, explain the electrostatic precipitator. So that's why we detailedly studied about the electrostatic precipitator. First you draw the diagram. In the diagram, two sides plus is there, that is the positively charged electrodes which are called as the collector electrodes. Then the negatively charged electrodes are called as the emitting electrodes or discharged electrodes. First, what is the principle of electrostatic precipitator? The electrostatic precipitator is a device which removes dust particles from a flue gases using the force of an induced electrostatic attraction. The both electrodes are completely insulated from each other. The high electrostatic field is set up between two sets of electrodes. It creates corona discharge and ionizes the gas molecules as the flue gases flow in between the plates. The dust particles acquire negative charge and are attracted to positive charge and gets deposited there only. There are three types of electrostatic precipitator available. First one is plate or tubular type. Second one is horizontal and vertical flow type. Third one is dry or wet type. So these are the details about the dust collection in the steam power plant. Next, draft system. First, what is the definition of draft? The circulation of air which is caused by the difference in the pressure is known as the draft. And also the draft is nothing but the difference between the absolute gas pressure at any point in a gas flow passage and ambient atmospheric pressure. In the boiler, the fuel combustion requires supply of sufficient quantity of air and the removal of gases, and it is achieved by the draft system. What is the purpose of draft system? To supply an adequate amount of air for combustion and bring it into a intimate contact with the fuel. What are the problem we are associated with the draft system is introduction of proper quantity of air at the proper place and the removal of products of combustion. How the draft system is achieved? The draft is achieved by small pressure difference which causes the flow of air or the gas to take place. It is measured in millimeters of water. According to the draft system, the draft can be produced by the use of chimney, fan, steam jet or air jet or the combination of these two. When the draft system is with the help of the chimney only, it is known as natural draft system. Suppose the draft is produced by another device that is called as except chimney, it is called as the mechanical draft system or artificial draft. Again, the draft produced either naturally or artificially. The natural draft system is produced thermally and the mechanical draft system is produced by means of fan jet or steam jet. When the draft is produced by the action of chimney alone, it is called the natural draft. Remove this. No fan is needed for natural draft. When the draft is produced by the drawing out gases from the chimney with the help of fan placed at the chimney base, it is called the induced draft. What is called the forced draft? Similarly, when the draft is produced by the forcing air through the fuel bed with the help of fan, it is called the forced draft. The artificial draft may be classified into mechanical draft and steam jet draft. The steam jet draft is prepared in the small installation and locomotives, but the mechanical draft is preferred for central power stations. Then what do you mean by natural draft? The natural draft is provided by the action of the chimney, which is used only in the small boiler. The another point is its intensity depends upon the average temperature difference between the gases within the chimney and outside the air only. The next we studied about the mechanical draft. The mechanical draft system, the movement of air, that is the movement of air is due to the action of the fan. A mechanical draft may be consist of induced or forced draft fan. The fan in all these cases, they have high efficiency. In the induced draft system, the blower is installed near the base of the chimney and the burnt gases are sucked out of the boiler, reducing the pressure inside the boiler to less than the atmospheric one. This includes the fresh air into the furnace. Forced draft system, the blower is installed near the base of the boiler. This is the difference between the induced and forced draft system. Air pressure throughout the system is above the atmospheric pressure and air is forced to flow through the system. If both induced and forced draft is not sufficient and to achieve advantages of both the systems, we used balanced draft system. In the balanced draft system, the pressure of air below the boiler grate is above atmosphere and that the above boiler, that means grate, is below the atmospheric only. This is the difference in the balanced draft system. Dear students, I hope in that lecture video you clearly understand the concept of dust collection and draft system. In the dust collection, you studied our definition of dust and then what are dust particles and then what are the types of dust collectors. Then next, draft system, what are the definition of draft and then what are the types of draft system. Thank you student for watching this video.